Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be replacing these cam slides, the bolts, obviously the nuts, and these cam pins. Now the common issue for these 01 Silverados are the cam slides right here. They actually strip out, and then these pins actually end up breaking off from the frame or bending. So we went ahead and picked up, as you can tell, some kryptonite upgrades. So we're going to go ahead and throw these on and see what happens. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get to our upper control arm. Now, to change these, you really don't have to remove your upper control arm, but in my opinion, it's going to be easier to get these cam pins out of there if we have them removed. So I'm going to remove these upper control arms completely. So now these are actually what we're replacing. We're replacing the bolts too, but that one actually wasn't that bad, but you can kind of see a little bit where it started kind of messing it up a little bit. I know we got some good ones here though, so we'll find one. Alright, so back to what I was saying though, this side is completely gone. This side don't even have one. So I'm imagining we can kind of just knock that out, maybe with a punch or something. Sure enough, look at there. Thing just came right out for us. Now we just got to figure out how these new ones are going to go back in there. Alright, so figured out how to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and say don't use a drill bit to drill out the hole. Horrible idea. But pretty much you just take your old hole, shove that in there as far as you can, and then you got to take a punch and a hammer to finish the job. Now, I'm doing this left-handed, so don't judge me. You want it to go straight. Start it lined up straight as you can, and then try and hit it in the middle. There it went. She's all free. Alright, now you just slap this puppy back together and she's good to go.